Today we'll discuss structure of H2 molecule or MOT diagram of H2 molecule. MOT diagram of H2 molecule. In this diagram, first mention the atomic number of helium atom as well as electronic configuration of helium atom. In this helium atom, it is a noble gas element. It is a noble gas element. It is an octet complete. Hence, it does not formation of any molecule. It is a single atomic state. Does not combine with diatomic molecule. How will we discuss in the MOT diagram? Only for single helium is available in the atmosphere, does not available in He2 molecule. The electronic configuration of single He2 or single helium is 1s2 and another helium atom electronic configuration is again 1s2. These two in each helium atom combined with 4 electrons. 2 of each helium atom. In the MOT diagram, there are 4 helium atoms are combined. How to write in MOT diagram? This is, you draw these 2 dots. It is a linear combination. It is a linear combination of 2 helium atoms. They are drawn in this fashion. In each helium atom contain 2 electrons and another helium atom contain 2 electrons. In the MOT diagram, this 1 electron combines in this fashion. It is a bonding molecular orbital level. These 2 atomic orbitals are combined in these 2 helium atoms to formation of 2 molecular orbital. Number of atomic orbital to formation of number of atomic molecular orbital are formed. Here 2 atomic orbital form or 2 atomic orbital are combined to formation of 2 molecular orbital. म्हणजे जेवढे atomic orbital एकत्र येतील तेवढेच काय molecular orbital तयार होतील. तर बघा हा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन काय झालं इथं बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्युलर ऑर्बिटल मध्ये किंवा सिग्मा 1s मध्ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन एकत्र आले. रिमेनिंग किती राहिले 2. हा एक इथे जाईल, हा एक इकडे. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन और कंबाइंड विथ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. इट इज अ एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्युलर ऑर्बिटल. इट इज ए सिग्मा स्टार 1s. Here 2. Here also again 2. Here sigma 1s2. Here sigma star 1s2. Right? Then it is a molecular orbital diagram. It is an energy sequence. It is an energy sequence. Here the formation of this He2 molecule or not, they are shown in another way. Here next point, symbolically representation. Symbolically representation. Here 1 helium atom electronic configuration 1s2, another helium atom electronic configuration again 1s2. Formation of He2. Here sigma 1s2 plus or and sigma star 1s2. It is a symbolically representation of this helium or molecular orbital diagram of helium atom. This is important. It shows a 1 point or 1 mark. Then यामध्ये काय काय पाहिलं आपण? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, molecular orbital diagram, symbolically representation. Then next point is bond order. What is the bond order? What is bond order? Bond order is 1 by 2 into bonding molecular orbital minus anti-bonding molecular orbital. How to get these two, BMO and ABMO? You see in MOT diagram of He2 molecule. Here 1 by 2 into, you see in MOT diagram for He2 molecule, in BMO it contains 2 electrons, sigma 1s2, hence 2 minus antibonding molecular orbital. How much electron in this ABMO? Again 2. Here 0, hence it shows a 0. Therefore in helium atom does not any covalent bond. Hence H2 is not formed in diatomic molecule. Why? Because according to MOT, the bond order is 0. Hence, these two helium atoms does not coordinate with each other, does not formation of any covalent bond. Hence, the He2 is not formed in diatomic molecule. It is only monoatomic molecule. ठीक है? तर आज आपण बघितलं मॉलिक्युलर ऑर्बिटल डायग्राम ऑफ He2 molecule. ठीक है? थँक यू.